Most people look at their horoscope and think astrology is just a random list of personality traits. They think being a Scorpio or a Gemini is just a cosmic roll of the dice, but they are completely missing the hidden pattern. Astrology isn't a collection of traits. It is a highly structured mathematical matrix built on 4 ancient elements and 3 evolutionary dynamics. When you learn this blueprint, you don't just understand your own sign, you gain the ability to read the hidden motivations of every single person you meet. Welcome back to the Daily Oracle of Wealth. Today, we are cracking open the master code of the Zodiac. To understand the Zodiac, you have to throw out the individual signs and look at the raw materials. The universe is divided into 4 distinct elemental frequencies: fire, earth, air, and water. The fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, are the universe's pure spark. They are adventurous, energetic, and courageous. Fire creates and destroys. It heats the home or burns it down. The earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, are the only corporeal physical materials in the zodiac. They deal with tangible value, stability, and patience. They build structures that last. The air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, are the experts of the ephemeral. Air is your breath, your language, and your intellect. They focus on communication, wit, and connections. And finally, the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces rule the subconscious realm. Water is pure emotion and deep intuition. It can heal and cleanse, or it can flood and devastate. But the elements only tell half the story. The real magic happens when you look at how that elemental energy moves. This is what astrologers call the modalities. Inside each element, there are 3 stages of evolution: initiation, stability, and transformation. The cardinal signs are the initiators. They represent the start of a season. They are the pioneers who scream to be heard and push the world forward. The fixed signs are the stabilizers. They represent the mid-season. They take the raw energy of the initiator and lock it into a permanent, unyielding routine. They love security, but their dark side is absolute stubbornness. The mutable signs are the transformers. They represent the end of a season. They are flexible, adaptable, and versatile. Their job is to break down the old structure so the cycle can begin again. When you blend an element with the modality, the true blueprint of a sign is revealed. Take Taurus, for example. Taurus is fixed earth. Earth is material, pleasure, and physical assets. Fixed is stability and routine. Therefore, a Taurus is naturally patient, reliable, and security-loving. But because they are fixed earth, they can become deeply inflexible and possessive. Look at Gemini. Gemini is mutable air. Air is intellect and communication. Mutable is versatility and change. This makes them incredibly adaptable, witty, and eloquent, but it also means they easily become restless, inconsistent, and tense. Every single sign is simply a mathematical combination of an element and a movement. Once you understand this geometry, the entire zodiac becomes a book you can read at a glance. You stop looking at traits, and you start seeing the raw energy. If you want to dive deeper into this mathematical alchemy, I want you to look up your own big 3 signs: your sun, moon, and rising. Calculate your dominant element, drop it in the comments below, and type the word DECODE. Hit subscribe to lock in your cosmic intelligence, protect your peace, and I will see you at the top.